Auto audio tags and custom audio fades are features that just got added to Premiere Pro Beta, and today I'll be giving an overview of those time-saving features. Starting off with auto audio tags, you can automatically tag your audio clips in your timeline by simply opening the Essential Sound panel, selecting your audio clips, then clicking on Auto Tag in the panel. Premiere Pro will then use AI to add interactive badges to each clip, indicating its audio category. Clicking on them will instantly open the Essential Sound panel access to modify that specific clip. Along with the tags, each tag will have its own color as well, so your audio clips will now be color-coded. The other feature is interactive fade handles to create custom audio fades. To do this, double-click the audio track to expand it. Next, look for the visual handles on the ends of the clips. To create standard fades, simply click and drag those handles to adjust the fade length. To create crossfades, click and drag the handles over the neighboring clip. This makes sure both clips are trimmed to have room for the crossfade. So, those are the two new features I wanted to highlight that came into Premiere Pro Beta. Thank you for watching and have a great day.